This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Susan LaGrotta. Eagle Creek, Naples. Live in this desirable gated community. Courtyard style floor plan, volume ceilings, southern exposure on pool. 3 bedrooms/3 bathrooms plus den/office. Spacious, meticulously cared for single family with pool/spa under fully screened lanai, surrounded by lush tropical landscaping. Kitchen with breakfast bar plus built-in settee with granite countertops. All bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. Master bedroom, with custom closet, also additional private screened-in lanai. Custom shelving in den currently used as an office. Social membership mandatory, one-time fee of $25,000 non-refundable. See fee structures below. Some furnishings negotiable. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan LaGrotta at 239-438-7776.